pause mode. They are in the pause mode. Like you go to see a movie, you're in tension, you got to see a movie. 3 hours, oh, tension is not there. Tension gone? No, the problem is there as it is. But you enjoyed the movie because you put the problem on hold. This is one part. The other part is this, that one problem is solved, the other is in the queue. Both places you say there is happiness, but actually, in reality, there is no happiness. There is a feeling of happiness. And that happiness comes from peace, and peace comes from satisfaction. Remember one thing. These are 3 steps. When you are satisfied, you are peaceful. And when you are peaceful, you are happy. Without being satisfied, how can you be peaceful? And without being peaceful, you cannot be happy. So these are in a line. When you are satisfied, automatically the other two flow. Actual happiness is only spiritual. Once you get it, it never goes. Once you get it, it never goes. That is real happiness. Because that is not attained by satisfying the senses. Because this is two opposite words. Senses and satisfaction actually don't go together. It is just like saying cold, fire. Cold and fire don't go together. Do they go together? No. Hot and fire go together. In the same way, satisfaction and senses, these two don't go together. Satisfaction and spirituality are just like hot and fire. They go together. So when you are, material world, what you have to do? So there are two ways of satisfaction. In the material, when you are thinking materially, you don't aspire anything materially. It is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, what you get on your own accord, you should be happy by that. Materially, what should happen? What you get on your own accord. On its own accord, that means you are working for 8 hours. And in that, whatever you get, you should be satisfied. But that 8 hours, you should be honestly working, thinking of Krishna and working for this 8 hours. You should be an honest person, truthful person, just person in that 8 hours. Yes, otherwise you will not get time for. See the amount. What is more important? Spirituality. You have to give equal amount of time to both, na? So at least 8 hours for spirituality, 8 hours for material activities. So we want to become asses. That is our tendency. That's why it is the work of the government to see that the people get time for spirituality. Or all these Dr. Manmohan Singh, Sonia Gandhi, they are all going to go to hell. They are all going to go to hell. Because they are preparing the road for hell for the public. They are not stopping the companies that you will not make the people work for more than 9 hours or 8 hours. Your employment problem will finish, right or wrong? Tell me, you want 16 hours of service from one, employed 2. So 2 families are fed. Why should one person work for 16 hours? Divide the salary. Don't give one man 1 lakh rupees. Give him 150,000, other 50,000. Right or wrong? That is the work of the Kshatriya. That is the work of the king. That is the work of the government to see that they arrange the whole system in such a way that the people get time for spiritual advancement. Today the government is nonsense. No time for spirituality. What spirituality? Government has got no right to rule. Any government of the world has got no right to rule. If you see today, their citizens are becoming more and more dissatisfied, not at peace with themselves, no happiness. Right or wrong? It may be the most developed countries of the world or most undeveloped countries in the world, both are in the same boat. They may be having more comforts. You may be having a bigger bed to sleep, but you don't have sleep. What is the use? And that underdeveloped person doesn't have a bed to sleep, doesn't have sleep. Both are same. Because a hungry man cannot sleep. He is a living example. When he is hungry, he can't sleep the whole night. Yes, when you are hungry, you can't sleep. Try it out on Ekadashi, don't take anything. He does not take. So 3 o'clock, he says, I don't feel like sleeping. That's the basic aim. That whole night you should do kirtan. You will get immense benefit. How much benefit? Immense. But no, we will toss in the bed. How to sleep? How to go into ignorance? So the government, this is gone. So when the government is not favorable, you will have to look after your own benefit. Your own benefit. You will have to see your own benefit. How to arrange your life in such a way that you can give more and more time for which we have been given this human form of life. Car has not been made. If you want to you go every day you have to go to the job and you don't take your vehicle. You keep it in your garage, chamka ke, very shiny. Motorcycle is shining, but you walk down like a fool. That's not the use. So this human form of life was not meant for all this nonsense which we are doing. Yes, they don't realize that you are absolutely right, that basically to get material comforts, facilities, they think that is progress. But what you have to get according to your previous karmas, you will get in 8 hours also. I still remember, now though they have become so many lassi shops, there used to be only one in MI Road. And by 2 o'clock he used to close. Right or wrong? He used to finish. Oh, kadam ho gaya. I still remember in Delhi University area, there is a Chola Bhatura wala. By 1:30 is finished. He opens at 9:30, finishes by 1:30. Hari bo. Yeah, finished. He doesn't make extra that he has to work till 8 o'clock in the night. In India, people do not know how to, first of all, how to earn, and then how, after earning, how to spend. That also they do not know. If they have to go for a vacation, also they will be thinking of the factory. Right or wrong? क्या हो रहा है? अबे मोबाइल छोड़ दे. So they do not know how to take material happiness also. Fools. At least in the Western countries, still they have many places. Now that they are also changing, Indians have made them bad. Saturday, Sunday used to be mostly off. Businessmen also, they never used to work on Saturday. You go with a very big business order, they'll say, come on a Monday. Why are you wasting your time? Enjoy life. Work for they actually work for 4.5 days. 5.5 days. Because by Friday afternoon, they were in the mood of holiday. They say, now we are in holiday mood. After 2 o'clock finished. Arey Baba, it's Saturday, Sunday off. That mood starts before now. We used to basically. And Monday morning they'll come back and they'll work like an ass. They'll work till 6 o'clock again. They will not work. Most of the shops, I went to Switzerland, Europe, I was shocked. The first time I went there, we were so drained out in the flight, we slept, and as such in the summers, the sun sets at 10 o'clock in the night. So every time I used to, from the hotel, I used to open the window, this curtain, I said, oh, still sunlight. I thought it must be 5 o'clock, kept sleeping. Then I said, this is something crazy. Every time I basically wake up and I draw the window, I find the sunlight. Then I saw on my watch, 9:30 in the night. Then I jumped out of bed, get something to eat. So I wanted some milk actually. So I said, get some milk and fruits. So when I went outside, everything closed. Everything closed. They said, no, and 6 o'clock everything closes here. Only the nonsense joints are running. Rest everything closed. Big stores in South Africa, 6:30. 6:30 everything closed. They'll shun you out at 6 o'clock. Come on, go. So that 6 o'clock they close. They don't take in anymore. Restaurants, normal restaurants, 8:30 finished. 8:30. That's their last order. 8 o'clock, 8:30 they close shop. In India, They'll be closing shop, someone comes, we couldn't become good Rakshas, nor we could become good devotee. है ना? Good means, good Rakshas means bad, really bad person. The Westerners could really become good bad, perfectly bad. And after 6:30 they'll enjoy. They'll go home, yeah, go back home. ऐसे इंडिया में केमिस्ट की दुकान होती है ना, कहीं SMS के पास खुली है, ऐसे होगा, ऐसे होती हैं, परंतु क्या होती हैं, कितनी होती हैं? मार्केट थोड़ी खुले होते हैं, आप देख लो जाके 9 बजे तक नहीं बंद होते मार्केट, यहाँ तो 9:30 बजे तक दुकान खुली रहेंगी, 10 बजे तक, और सुबह 8 बजे फिर गले बैठ जाएंगे 7:30 बजे। गधे गधे ही है ना कि नहीं? गधे की तरह काम कर रहे हो, किस लिए कर रहे हो? एक दूसरे में ही छोड़ के जाओगे। शरीर किस लिए मिला था? व्हाई डिड यू गेट दिस ह्यूमन फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ? किस लिए मिला था ये शरीर? गधा बनने के लिए? वो तो फिर गधे योनि में चले जाओ ना, खड़े होकर सोते रहना, सो नाइस है ना।